Hello everybody, let's start today's class. Today I will explain you surface areas and volumes of class 9, exercise 13.4. Surface areas and volume of sphere actually it is. In this exercise, this shape is called the sphere, spherical shape. And it is half of this sphere. It is called the hemisphere. So okay, sometimes students they are very confused that circular part, circular region and hemispherical region or spherical region. It's okay. Sphere is 3 dimensions. Hemisphere half of the sphere and circular region it is 2 dimensions only. It's okay. These are the 3 type of figures. Now here in this exercise I will explain you surface area of sphere and hemisphere. In surface area of sphere, there is not a total surface or curved surface. It is only a total surface, that is the surface area. But in hemisphere, one curved part and in the down, that is the plane part. So, okay? So, circular part. So, there are 2 parts, therefore, there are 2 surface areas, curved surface area and total surface areas. Okay? Now, one by one, let's see. In figure here, surface area of sphere is, it is the spherical part 4 pi r square. Okay, surface area r is the radius of the sphere and 4 pi r square is the surface area of sphere. Now, curved surface area of hemisphere, half of the sphere, either in this way or in this way we can keep our hemisphere. So, curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square because half of the sphere it is 4 pi r square, its half means 2 pi r square. But total surface area is 2 pi r square is the curved part and this is the circle pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So total is 3 pi r square. Got it? Now learn, then you do one by one the exercise you have to solve. Question number 1, find the sphere, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 cm. Radius has given, simple, you have to find the formula 4 pi r square is the surface area of sphere. So, okay. So, 4 pi r has given r square. So, now calculated it is 1386 centimeter square. Next radius is 5.6 centimeter. Same. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Now substitute the value and it is 394.24 centimeter square. Next is r is equal to 14 centimeter. Curved surface area or surface area it is 4 pi r square. So it is 2464 centimeter square. Question number 2, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 14 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Same as question number 1, but here diameter has given. You find first radius. Radius is half of diameter. So diameter upon 2 is equal to radius. Then substitute it. In r is 7. So 4 pi r square is equal to 616 centimeter square. Next r is equal to 21 upon 2. Surface area is 4 pi r square. It is 1386 centimeter square. Next, r is equal 3.5 upon 2 meter. So its half is 35 upon 20. Point will remove, it is 20. So 7 upon 4 meter. Okay. Then surface area is, it is 38.5 centimeter, 5 meter square. Okay. Question number 3, find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, you have to take value of pi is 3.14. Now TSA of the hemisphere 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square it is 942 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 4, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in the 2 cases. When r1 is equal to 7 centimeter, surface area of the balloon is S1. It's okay. S1 I have taken for the first balloon's surface area, it is 4 pi r1 square. So 4 pi r1 is 7. This one. Okay, no need to multiply because we have to find out the ratio. So next r2 is equal to 14 centimeters. So surface area of the balloon is S2 is equal 4 pi r2 square. It is 4 pi r2 square. Now ratio is S1 upon S2 is equal to this upon this. Now cancel 7 to the, these 2 will cancel, 7 to the, and it is also 7 to the 40. So 1 upon 4. So 1 ratio 4. Next question is, the hemispherical ball made of brush has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Okay. Now radius of the hemispherical ball r is equal to 10.5 upon 2. So okay, diameter has given, so it's a half it is. Okay. Now it is 21 upon 4 centimeter. Now CSA of the ball is now 2 pi r square, it is the formula. Substitute value, it is coming 33 into 21 upon 4. Now cost 33 into 21 upon 4 into 16 per thousand, rupees 16 per thousand, sorry 100 centimeter square. So 16 upon 100. Now if you cancel it, it is coming rupees 27.72. Okay. Question number 6. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now surface area is 154 centimeter square. It is surface area's formula. Surface area has given. So 4 pi r square is equal 154. Now r square is equal to 49 upon 4. So r is equal under root 49 upon 4, it is 7 upon 2. That means 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So radius 3.5 centimeter. Next question is 7. Diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the radius of their surface, ratio of their surface areas. Radius of moon, diameter, half of diameter, that means the radius we can take. Radius of the moon is r. And radius of the earth is its 4 times, 4r. Okay. Surface area of moon is, 4 pi r square, and surface area of earth is 4 pi r is 4r, 4r square. Now the ratio is 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r, 4r into 4r, it is equal to 1:16. Okay. Question number 8. The hemispherical ball is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the ball. So okay, it is the thick ball, hemispherical ball. Its inner radius is 5 centimeter and thick is 0.25. Okay. So it is outer radius is 5 plus this one, inside is 5 plus 0.25 this much. Okay. So it is 5.25. Got in? Now outer curved surface area 2 pi r square, 2 pi r 525 upon 100 I have taken because removed back, this decimal point, it is 100 will come as a denominator. So it is, by calculating it is 693 upon 4. In decimal expansion it is 173.25 centimeter square. Okay. Now it is the last question. The right circular cylinder just enclosed a sphere of radius r and surface area of sphere you have to find out. Next, curved surface area of the cylinder. Third one, ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2 means surface area of the sphere and curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Now cylinder. Now it is radius of the sphere is equal to cylinder height of the cylinder. Radius of the sphere is equal to radius of the cylinder, and height is just this much height means r plus r means d, diameter is equal to the height of the cylinder. Okay, so it is 2r. Now surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. H is 2r. So it is 4 pi r square. So it is 4 pi r square and this 2 is also 4 pi r square. Therefore ratio is 1:1. Okay. Instead of r, if it's given 7 centimeter, same. This question will come 4 pi 7 square and it is also 4 pi 7 square, same. So ratio is 1:1. Thank you very much.